appear to us all. I am 6 years old. I am in KG2. The title of my poem is Money. Money. Many people suffer because of me. One cannot live without me. Nothing can be done without me. Yes, I am money. Life without money is meaningless. Wherever my name will be mentioned, both adults and children will run after me because my name is money. I can be good and also evil to the world. I can bring peace to your life. If you take the right path to get me, I can also destroy your life. If you take the wrong path to get me, my name is money. Thank you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Gabriel Alajawa. I am 7 years old. I am in KG2. The title of my poem is Early to School. The bell is ringing out of above, out of above. Come to school, boys and girls. It is time for us to learn. The teacher's book is ready. The chalk is in his hand and march it to the blackboard. The future is our student. But if you are smart, you will smart. But if you are lazy, you will not smart. But you will cry at the end of the week. Thank you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ramarafu. I am 7 years old. I am in KG1. The title of my poem is Success in Life. The success for every dream depends on first opportunity with determination and hard work. So let not opportunity bypass your children. Grab it and be successful in life. Thank you. My name is Akosa Safoka. I am 7 years old. I am in KG2. The title of my poem is Education, Education, Education. It's how those who find it better. It is a precious thing we all need to obtain. No matter how rich or poor you may be, plant the seed today, water it, and reap the fruit tomorrow. Because education is very important. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
My name is Ewenyigba. I am 6 years old. I am in KG2. The title of my poem is My Wonderful Friend. A friend I know in France, whom I live all my life and soul. On whose side I live your land. On whose side I land never to pass from. On whose side I live not to fall into the midst of sorrow. And sit on the kingdom, women and home. Our precious Fiona, I can remember this name. God have a wonderful life in Jesus Christ. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
My name is Salamatu Sabode. I am 6 years old. I am in KG1. The title of my poem is Pen. Pen. Writing is my job. I always tell people all over the world, you can put your trust in me because I always tell people like presidents, ministers, lawyers, teachers, students, and students. They all need me to function. I am very useful to my car, and my useness will not end until the last days. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you,
My
thank you.
name is Howard. I am 7 years old. I am in KG1. The title of my poem is A Wise Person. I am a little child of little knowledge. We need to be taught and learn, so I have to take instruction. Coming from reliable sources like parents, teachers, pastors, and above Almighty God, I have to be wise and little to those who have my hatred heart. Because I am a little child of little knowledge. Thank you. My name is Abigail Nurode. I am 7 years old. I am in KG1. The title of my poem is Future Leaders. We are the future leaders. Kings, presidents, ministers, and teachers. God has made us so. Though our beginning is small, but we have the continuation and obedience to our true orders. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kekeli Dabo. I am 5 years old. I am in KJ1. The title of my poem is Ghana Cocoa. Ghana Cocoa, the great fruit of Ghana. You are the golden fruit of Ghana. Children love you very much. You always give them chocolates and cocoa drinks. Farmers sell you for money to take care of their family. Oh, Ghana Cocoa is the best. Oh, Ghana Cocoa, you are the golden fruit of Ghana. All children, because you are rich. Thank you.
Thank you.
My name is Anif Ade. I am 7 years old. I am in KG1. The title of my poem is Little Chick. My name is Little Chick, and I am a chick, for I know every trick to catch a worm quick. This morning I caught a worm, and he had a lot of fat. Now I am confused. I don't know how to manage it. Do I eat it or not? Thank you. My name is Amina Muhammad. I am 6 years old. I am in KJ1. The title of my poem is Just Etma. Etma got nothing but a chief teller. It's similar to those who give it. Its memory is for a long time to orange because it achieved a lot in human life. Thank you. My name is Ikimaki. I am 6 years old. I am in KG1. The title of my poem is If you want to talk, don't shout and don't shout, because shouting makes noise and noise on the ear. So if you want to talk, don't shout. Thank you. My name is Duki Kagari. I am 5 years old. The title of my poem is Duki Kagari. The title of my poem is Eli has a tail. He has a big head and a very small
waist.
My name is Christopher Agon. I am 6 years old. I am engaged in one. The title of my poem is I am a child. I am a well-being child. Raised and nurtured by my parents. Taught and grew by my teachers and parents. To become obedient, respectful and disciplined, kind and humble. I'm all-around person. I want to come in future. Thank you. I am Yusuf. God bless all parents and teachers. Thank you.
Thank you too, Christopher. Let's give it up for Christopher.